Assalamualaikum. My name is Noshazani binti Ali from AS2552B. I'm here to share to you guys about my topic, which is predation in organism.
Predation is a type of biological interaction where one creature, the predator, kill and consume another organism. Predation occurs when the organism kill and eat another. To the detriment of the organism being consumed, the prey, predation supplies the energy to lengthen life and encourage reproduction of the organism during the killing. Predator can be known as a living organism that go after and kill other animals, while the organisms that are consumed by the predator are known as prey, both and carnivore and omnivore, which can be a predator. There are 4 steps in predation, which are search, recognition, capture, and handling. Not all predators are living organisms. Therefore, Venus flytrap and pitcher plant are examples of carnivores plant which eat insects as their prey. Next is types of predation. Predation can be classified into 4 categories, which are carnivory, herbivory, parasitism, and mutualism. So, let's start with the carnivory first. Carnivory mostly consume herbivore. So they occasionally consume omnivore and other carnivores, and most of them are known as predators that consume meat or animal flesh. And in general, depending on how much meat they consume, carnivores can be divided into 3 groups, which are hypercarnivores, mesocarnivores, and hypocarnivores. Carnivores that eat mostly meat are called hypercarnivores. For example, owls hunt mice as their food. Now, let's move to the next type, which is herbivory. Animals that are adapted to consume plants are called herbivores, and this consumption is known as herbivory. This connection induces adaptation in both herbivore species and the plant species it eats, which is similar as predator-prey interaction. For instance, plants have developed defenses such as tolerance and compounds to lessen harm caused by herbivores. For example, certain insects like butterflies have chemical sensors on their feet that enable them to taste a plant before ingesting any of its parts. Next is parasitism. Parasitism is widely understood to be a relationship between 2 living species in which one organism benefits at the expense of the other. The organism that is benefit is called the parasite, while the one that is harmed is called the host. Parasites are classified into 2 types, which are endoparasites, which live inside the host body, and ectoparasites, which live and feed on the exterior on the host bodies. Flux-type worms and fungi is an example of endoparasite, whereas stick lice and plants are examples of ectoparasites. In this case, plants and animals commonly act as hosts. Most of the time, parasites do not cause the death of their host. However, parasitoids are an anomaly since they straddle the border between parasitism and predation. The main difference between parasitoid and predator is that parasitoids feed on living tissue, whereas predator kills their target before or during consumption. For mutualism, mutualistic interaction will occur when 2 organisms on different species work together and each of them gets benefits from the relationship. Example for mutual interaction is sea anemones and clownfish have a mutualistic connection in which the anemone gives the clownfish, which is immune to its sting, a place to live, and the clownfish gives the anemone food. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye!